G'day guys, how's it going? Righto, we are out here. I've been out bloody in the bush doing some tracking for doing motorcycle tours and stuff like that, and I thought I'd pull up here. Really nice spot, got the dam over there, and thought I'd just stop for a bit of a break, and I'll do a test on this Jackery Explorer 1000 Pro. So it's a 1000 watt inverter in it, and it's also I think it's 1002 kilowatt hours of storage in it. So at the moment I've got two 100 watt solar panels sitting there, and just as I was mucking around with the bloody drone and all that shit, it's getting anywhere between 200 and then dropping down to 100, just depending on how strong the sun is at the moment. So I'll just bring you over and I'll tell you what it's running at the moment. Rightio, so we've got a King's fridge there. This is only my small one. I do have a larger one, which this will run the larger one. It's actually been running it all day. I didn't even start out with a full battery. It's charging this little light. I'm just whacking it on. Drone batteries, charging them up. And we are drawing, I don't know whether that's running yet. That comes out on and off. Where are we? Come on. So at the moment I'm getting 168 watts in from the solar, but it's only taken 59 watts at the moment. So if I just unplug all these, just to see if that fridge is, because I think the fridge is only about 40. Yeah, I can feel that running. So it's only pulling 50 watts. So with this running everything, I've plugged them all back in. At the moment we're drawing bloody 52, 57, say 60 watts, but I'm getting 169 watts. So 100 watts is going to recharge all that back up, which is bloody brilliant. Actually, what I'll do, guys, I'm going to unplug all this shit just so that I can put it over there, and I'll just give you some bloody stats and what on it. But I do want to grab oh yeah, you've got to love a fridge. A nice cold bloody Coke, because it is hot. Actually, before I move this, I just want to show you. So that's how the two solar panels bloody clip in, as easy as that. Boom, grab that, light as. Now actually, before we go any bloody further, so this was actually given to me to do a review. I was actually given the really big one, which I used to weld off. Here's some footage of me welding with it. You can't weld with this particular one because it doesn't have the big enough inverter. The other one had a 3000 watt inverter. So, was it a 3000? It doesn't matter anyway, but yeah, it was bloody shit hot. So, what do we got? You have a carry handle. It's light. We have over here is your cigarette lighter, so that's how I'm running the fridge through that one. You have all these little buttons there that turns off that DC. You have just a light here, brighter, does a bloody flashy flash, all that kind of bullshit. You have two USB-A and two USB-C. You can turn those on by that and then turn it off. You got a display button, just bloody shows it. Two AC plug holes. Now you got to remember, this is a 1000 watt inverter. It will surge up to 2000, but these two plugs share that 1000. So you know, if you could put two 500 watt things into that, that'd be working. But if you put two 1000 watt things, it ain't going to do that, or it'll do it for a couple of seconds, but that's about it. Cool. So around the back, as I showed you, that's where we've got the two ports for DC inputs, and then that's where your normal plug, if you want to plug it into your normal power to charge it up that way. It charges up really, really quick. If you check out the website, look, it has all the details on there in regards to that, but it really is a handy little thing to, you know, throw it in the back of your bloody four-wheel drive, take it camping, and just be able to charge up all your devices. It comes with also a cable that you can hook it into your car. So as you're driving along, you can be charging that up as well. So you've got your 240 volt, your DC car charge, and of course you've got the solar panels. And I believe that you can do multiple and have lots feeding into it. So you could run the solar panels on your roof as you're driving along and charge it plus the car. Brilliant. Now I'll just show you how these solar panels work. I really like them. So they're just a Velcro pull out like that. So when you're finished, pack them over, grab your cable, wind it up like that, and then, oh, wrong way, that way, and then it magnetizes together. And that is just a handy, I really like that, those solar panels. And yeah, it's just plug and play. There you go, guys. Not a lot more I can tell you. It comes with manuals and bloody bits and pieces. Like I said, check out their website. They've got all the information there. I'll put a link in the description. You get the little bag. That was the jug lead for the 240 volt here in Australia. There is your car charger, so you can plug it into the car and charge it up. And of course, you saw these solar panels. They're at 100 each. Plug it in the back. Got a bit of sun. Hey presto, as you saw. Charging it up, and it's got enough power to be running that little fridge there and charging drone batteries and torches and phones and all that kind of bullshit. Anyway, like I said, I won't bang on anymore. Remember, keep on riding, and if you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.